Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up a vault in the Revolut app. The vault option is a very useful and nice way to save up money for any purpose, for a vacation, for gifts, for any reason. It will help you to save money by saving all the change from all your transactions or any shopping that you do with your card or your bank account. Or you can either choose an amount of money as a recurring payment, so it will speed up the money saving process. So to create a vault, you have to go in the Revolut app to the vaults option, then tap on this button. Then here you will see all the vaults options, stash in different currencies, whether it's for rainy day or holidays. Stash a little cash in a personal vault in any currency, including crypto or commodities. That's pretty nice. Dream big together. Open group vaults with family or friends to reach your goals faster, like that dream vacation. Yeah, so they have a group vault option as well, so you can do the money saving together with your family or friends or your partner, which is quite useful as well for families. Okay, so let's start with the vaults. We will create a personal vault. It's pretty much the same thing for the group vault. The only difference is that you will have to invite a person before you start creating the vault. So tap on the personal vault or the group vault as you wish. Then here you can name your vault, or they have like basic options that you can choose from, but you can obviously choose your vault. So you can say vacation, saving, gifts, rainy day, education, renovation, anything. Like you can even type it in anything. Okay, you can set even a picture for your vault. Beautiful picture. Yeah, so you can customize it as you wish. Then go to continue. Here you will have to choose the currency that you will use. They have all the major currencies in the world, and they even have cryptos, like as you see, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Bancor, EOS, Ethereum. So you can use any kind of currency. So I will set euro, and here you have to type in the amount of euros that you want to save in this vault. For example, let's say 1 million euros. If you want to subscribe to this video, probably maybe I can reach that. Okay, then you can set a deadline for this vault, for this goal. Let's say June, so hurry up with those subscriptions. Yeah, then go to continue. Spare change. We will round up the spare change from your Revolut card spends and place it in this vault. So you can do this like this, spare change, and then from every transaction that you make with your card, they will put the change in this vault. And you even have a spare change accelerator option, with which you can speed up this process by doubling, tripling, or even 10 times the amount of change. So for example, if you spend €3.70, then it will automatically put 30 cents in the vault. But if you choose the double option, it will put 60 cents in the vault. So pretty easy. Let's go continue. So this is another option that I told you, that they have the recurring transfer. With this option, they will transfer this amount, for example €1, repeat, let's say monthly, let's say daily. So this way they will transfer €1 every day. Okay, next, and that's it. Your Anything wallet is ready. Stay saved €0. I have 32 days to go for 1 million euros, and that's it. This is the wallet option on the Revolut app. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be very helpful for me. And yeah, don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me. Bye.